Do you see what Santa brought? Oh, let's go see. Let's go see. You have been a good girl this year, haven't you?
Yeah, she's been helping out with Brooke.
Merry Christmas, Daddy. Oh.
What'd you get? What is it?
What do you see? Go look. What's under the tree? What's under there?
No, I smell.
Do you see Elmo?
Yes.
Do you want to go play with Elmo?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Let's go see.
I think you built it up to be more than she expected. She's like, oh, yeah, Elmo. You're really excited about that?
What is all this?
A lot of presents, huh?
Did Santa bring you an Elmo? Look. Do you want to play with Elmo?
I think that.
Uh-huh.
No, that.
Here, do you want to see what Elmo does?
No.
Watch, ready?
Oh, he fell over.
Oh.
He keeps falling over. He's laughing, huh? You need to put him somewhere else so he's not falling over. Maybe over on the far top.
Is that pretty cool? Did you see what else he brought us?
He wants you to tickle him.
Can you tickle him?
You want to tickle him?
No.
Go like this. Go.
You have to push the...
You tickled Elmo!
Is that funny?
He's not staying in balance. Oh, I'll go get her. Alright.
Merry Christmas.
It's Brooke. Go say say Merry Christmas, Brooke.
Ah.